Hello friends, welcome to another stock market video with SD. मैं हूं SD Shanand Udash, multi-asset trading and investment specialist. In this video, in the stock market group, I'm going to take a look at stocks which are very closely related to the Tata group. I have included many of the stock, but Tata group has direct or indirect involvement in a huge number of stocks in India. They are as one of the most important group of stocks for investments in India. And many small to large scale investors, they regularly choose Tata stocks when they are in a good phase. So let me take you to this analysis, and let me before warn you that this analysis will be done using my fountain of gold or the rainbow setup. So I've included these many stocks from the Tata group overall, and we are going to take a look at them one by one, whether they are good for investments or not. So first I'll open up the Asset Master to do the analysis for me, and under Asset Master I'm using the cash stocks weekly setup, and weekly is the most important chart for me. And those who have invested in Tata Group's automotive stamping stock or ASAL, they are in for positive news that the long downtrend that started back in July 2024 seems to have ended. We are getting a good breakout. सामने आ रहा है कई सारे important resistance, but this is turning an important turnaround which can in future represent better risk reward opportunity. It has moved very fast with the buy signal, and we are ASAL, the things are under change, and it is also being selected as per our criteria. Volume match is there. Looks like an important bottom has been placed in ASAL. Now I'm going to take a look at IND Hotel or the Indian Hotels Company. I can see it is almost spending time in a box. It is ranging opportunity cost. For now, I will not be in this stock. Only thing we can do is apply a proper alert like rainbow buy alert, and then we'll look at what is the situation with this stock IND Hotel. Then I'll look at Nelco. Nelco is more of a zigzag, सामने resistance, buy signal has string score all there, but looking at the chart past behavior, Nelco right now is not a great choice, but interesting for the positive. 1000 के above base बना रहा है. सामने एक बार resistance टूट गया around 1063. We may see a very quick move towards this top around 1380. So that can be quite a good run given the risk reward, but unless the resistance clears, currently it's not a great bet. We are looking at Rallis India right now. Let's look at Rallis. नीचे RSI X भी रहना चाहिए. Overall, it has given good run, but what I expect now is a little bit of consolidation in Rallis. We had a buy signal, and then we had a strong move up in Rallis India. It is in our radar. Our our scores are satisfying in Rallis India. So overall, it seems it's going quite well. Next stock that I'm going to take a look at, Taj GVK. Before I move to that Taj GVK, let me highlight, if it consolidates now, I think the lower base point could be 285. So 285 to 330, 340, it can create a base, and then if it has to move further, it may rise after that. Taj GVK, not in a great phase, should not be a choice. Right now, these are not the times we want to keep our money blocked. with the Taj GVK. Then we are looking at the Tata Chemicals. Tata Chemicals, the stoppage has come. Now it's moving higher. And I think it is around the resistance 1000 psychology level. And very likely it will further rise and move towards 1100 to 1150 over time. The stock has formed a base and now coming back in a more stronger fashion. बट सामने ही रेजिस्टेंस है 1000 का, सो अभी उस एरिया पे क्या रिएक्शन होगा. सेम टाटा कम्युनिकेशन एक इंपॉर्टेंट फ्लैट लाइन, ये रहा फ्लैट लाइन रेजिस्टेंस बोलता हूं मैं इसको. सो नाउ इट हैज लाइकली टू स्टॉप एंड विल सी द बिहेवियर ऑफ द स्टॉक. अगर यहां से वीकनेस दिखा रहा है, एज द ट्रेडर विल लाइक टू गो आउट, बट ओवरऑल it's bullish. The investors might stay a little longer and try out a higher return, a move towards 2000 psychology area. Then we'll look at Tata Consumer, not in a great phase. The base formation, यही मैं बोल रहा था कि breakout के बाद possible हो कि after the breakout it will form a base. So Tata Consumers is in a base formation, not a entry grade trade. Largely the what I can see कि downtrend has ended, but बहुत ही बढ़िया position में नहीं है risk reward wise. The stocks, we may actually start seeing resistance in Tata LXI as well. So up move हुआ, जहाँ पे emptiness था, we had a move. Now I think not so easy will be for a lot of Tata stocks. A more struggling up move will be there. Tata Investment, strong base, strong comeback. If can sustain above 7,500, we can expect much bigger run. And 8,800 break हुआ तो we'll go for the 10,000 level test. Then we are looking at Tata Motors. Tata Motors, similar positive news कि downtrend got over. Now we may start seeing some strong up move next week. Onwards. No, next week, if it holds a 710 around, I'll not be surprised if Tata is moving towards 840 and testing. As long as 700 area remains protected, Tata Motors can significantly move higher, but it's not in a great bull trend. None of the Tata stock is, see, long trend is bearish. So not so great positive, but हाँ definitely risk reward opportunity create हो रहा है. ये मेरे line को break करेगा with this as a support. So Tata Motors is giving out an entry this week for somewhere around little less than 20% return, and risk is also on the lower side, around 5%. Now we are looking at Tata Power. Tata Power is also showing strength. It is testing an important resistance. Breakout होने का high probability and further rise का भी possibility है. और अगर नहीं हो पाया around breakout 500 का, then we are likely to see range and then later breakout. So Tata Motors, Tata Power, इन ये नजर रखने लायक स्टॉक है. जैसे टाटा स्टील बेस बनाएगा, बेस बना रहा है. दे ब्रेकआउट के बाद लुक्स लाइक नॉट रेडी टू मूव येट, बट बेस बनाने के बाद मे गेट बेटर. टाटा टेक्नोलॉजी, बहुत ही बढ़िया स्टॉक का मूवमेंट. यहां पे इस स्टॉक ने एक इन्वर्टेड हेड एंड शोल्डर बनाया एंड उसके बाद we saw some good move. Now very likely the stock will be targeting 860. Then we'll be able to know whether further rise in store or it will go for consolidation. But stock में potential है in the longer term. But main resistance अगर over time say by October end, it can sustain above 870 and gradually rise. We may see a test of the 1000 as well. So Tata Technology, yes, इसके ऊपर फोकस रहेगा. TCS, the main flagship company, Tata Consultancy, looks like its downtrend finally getting some base, but nothing true inspiring कि we have to buy this stock right now. ऐसा कुछ strength नहीं दिख रहा. Even if it has to break, rise, strong resistance आते हुए दिख रहा है from 3,700, 650. So upside, not of free opening are there to consider serious investment into Tata Consultancy. Next is the Tejas Network. Not good. We'll avoid. TIL Limited. So far going very well. The stock is strong. Very strong comeback. I think further rise in TIL seems very, very likely. ये मेन लेवल 400 का ब्रेक करते ही फर्दर स्ट्रेंथ होगा. But the stop, any stop below 360, मतलब more than 30 points should not be there. It's a breakout trade. Now we are looking at Titan, similar like many other Tata stock. It's in a base formation, so not very strong at the moment. TIL on the other hand looked quite strong. We are looking at trend, a base formation in progress. It is under my radar. No significant chart pattern support. Strength has not yet come, but trend is showing beautiful base formation and rise possibility. As long as it can stay above 5,600 or 500 area, likely the strength, gradual strength to continue upwards, and the main resistance would be faced from 7,050 onwards. Tata Teleservices, Maharashtra, not a great stock, lot of resistance. Voltas, not in a great phase. So few stock हम लोग देखे, Taj GVK, Voltas, which are not in a good phase. We saw opportunity possible in Tata Motors. We saw some strong stocks like ASL. We saw significantly strong. TIL, we saw strength. So it's a mixed bag. Be choosy. Look at the risk. Look at the reward. I hope this small discussion from me was helpful. Agar help हुआ, don't forget to put a thumbs up. All the best from my side. And as always, happy trading.